Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ibrahim FS Trader. Today we are going to dive deeper into the world of market structure, exploring how to apply these powerful concepts to different market considerations. I will cover uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation market, so you can master market structure and improve your trading skills. Let's start with an uptrend. In an uptrend, the market is making higher highs and lower lows. To apply market structure, we need to identify the key level of support and resistance. We can do this by looking at the previous high and low, as well as any notable level of support and resistance. Once we have identified these levels, we can apply the market structure formation to determine continuation of trend. For example, if the market is making a new high, we can use the structure to calculate the possibility of a pullback or continuation of the uptrend. Let's move on to a downtrend. In a downtrend, the market is making lower highs and lower lows. To apply market structure, we need to identify the key levels of support and resistance, just like in an uptrend. However, in a downtrend, we are looking for levels of resistance to sell rather than level of support to buy. Once we have identified these levels, we can apply the market structure formation to determine the continuous downtrend. For example, if the market is making a new low, we can use structure to calculate the possibility of a bounce or a continuation of the downtrend. Now let's talk about consolidation, also known as range bouncing market. In a consolidation, the market is moving sideways with no clear trend. To apply market structure, we need to identify the key level of support and resistance, just like in an uptrend. That is it for today's video on market structure for uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation. I hope you are now having a better understanding of how to apply these powerful concepts to different market considerations. If you have any question or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips. Happy trading.